Okay, now let's add our data. We have quite a few staff members to add, so I'm going to go through this and fast forward. If you don't want to enter all this data yourself, you can restore from next chapter's snapshot, but doing data entry like this in the Drupal interface can help you start to feel comfortable with it. So I'd encourage you to go through this process yourself as well. All right, now that we have our data, we can create our view. Let's take a look at the wireframe again, the Our Team wireframe. So like we did before, we'll create a view with fields, and we'll work down these fields as we go. I'm gonna go back to the site. Let's create a view. Under Structures, Views, Add New View. We'll call this Our Team. We'll show content of all type staff. We'll order it according to title. That will be the name. We're going to create a page. We'll leave the title to our team and the path to our team, and we'll set this to display as an unformatted list of fields. Just like with our tour types, we want to display everything on one page since there's not that many staff members. So we'll set this to a large number, and we'll uncheck Use a Pager, and we'll click Save and Edit. Let's scroll down and take a look. Okay, so we have the title, which are their names. We look at our wireframe. That's pretty much how each of these entries are starting, although they look a little bit bigger. Let's set these to a heading. So for fields here, title, let's click on it, and we'll click the style settings and customize field HTML. We'll use the H2 heading since the H1 is going to be reserved for the heading for the page, and we'll click apply. Scroll down. Okay, that looks a little better. If we go back, it doesn't look like these actually link to the user pages, so let's remove that link. So we'll go back to the title and we'll uncheck link to the content and click apply. Okay, that looks good.